Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are seeing a 2008 Zeta Patrol Baleno. Now let's have a small walk around of this vehicle. Moving towards the dimensions of Baleno, the length of Baleno is 3995 mm. The width of Baleno is 1745 mm, while the height of Baleno is 1500 mm only. Since you guys have seen the walk around of this vehicle and you got a realistic idea of how a 2018 Baleno bodyline will be. Now let's head to its engine bay. It will also pop from here.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
The Baleno comes with a 1.2 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine. This is the famous K12 series engine of Maruti, which produces 83 bhp along with 115 Newton meters of torque. Now have a look on the kilometers of this 2018 Baleno. Well, this Baleno has on its order approximately 90,000 kilometers, and in a couple of days the service of this vehicle is due. Well, this is the condition of the clutch pedal, brake pedal as well as accelerator pedal of a 90,000 kilometers driven Baleno. After having a walk around of this 2018 Zeta Baleno, we will head to its interior and will begin from the driver's side. This is a all black interior. As you can see, this is the push start stop button, and these are the parking sensors, and besides this is the headlight leveler. This is the steering wheel. This is the instrument cluster of a 2018 Baleno. Since this is a Zeta model, so new touchscreen system and a couple of space here as well as in between the seats. This is the armrest. This is the co-driver's seat and this is the driver's seat. One thing I want to mention is that this was a part of accessory, not a company fitted leather seats. Now let's head to the rear seat of Baleno. See how spacious the back row is, and the major disadvantage is that it does not have an armrest on the back. Two adjustable headrests, and what a wonderful seat, leather seat this is. And the leg room is ample for 3 people in the back seat. Now let's head to the boot of this Baleno. See how spacious and deep the boot of this Baleno is. This boot can occupy almost 339 liters of luggage. This comes with a boot lamp as well, and these must be certainly the tools and the caution triangle. Now let's head to the spare tire. This is the spare tire of Baleno, which has a sign that it can be used till 80 kilometers per hour, and the size of this tire is 185/65 R15. After giving you a walk around of this vehicle as well as showcasing the interior as well as exterior, now let's move to the tire section of this Baleno. Initially I can see the tires are of a Polo company and the tire section is 195/55 R16. Well, I am amazed owing to the fact that all the 4 tires on this Baleno are stock. Till now they have never been replaced. This can happen only in 2 cases. On the one hand, the driver who was driving this car has drove this vehicle light-footedly. On the other hand, the tire company, that is Polo, has used high quality rubber material on this specific series. That's all in this video. We'll share its positive and negative as well as the driving experience of this vehicle in the future upcoming videos. Like this video, comment on this video and do subscribe my channel.